How to delete Discord messages on mobile. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Now let's go ahead and open up Discord and let's follow the steps as they are pretty easy and simple. So once you open up Discord, let's go ahead and select random chat. Now once you are on the conversation or the chat and you want to delete a message that you have sent, all what you need to do is you need to click and hold on the message, and once you do that you will get this pop-up list right here from which you want to click on delete message. And as you do that, you will get this pop-up box that asks you if you are sure about the deletion of this message. Click yes to confirm. And as you can see, as you do that, the message will be removed. Now, if you want to delete the entire conversation, then what you need to do is you need to click on the two persons icon at the top right corner, this one right here, and again click on the three dots at the top right corner, then click on close DM from the pop-up menu that just appeared at the bottom, and the DM and this conversation will be deleted and removed. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can remove messages on Discord. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.